Hello guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Happy New Year. So today I'm just going to show you guys something you're going to use to land on your fourth, right? Yeah, so let me just play it very slow before I call out the notes. So this is it. Right, so I'm using here as my root. So this is my key of B. I actually toned down my guitar half step down, right? So right, so this is it. Right. You see, right? So this is it. Do di la di do re. Right? So do di la di do. So I did a pull up there. Right? I did a pull up there. Right? So do di la di do re. So right? So then la so I slide it down to my la so, which is my 6/5. Right? So right? So right? You get it? So do di la di do re la so. Right, so that is all. La so then mi re. Sorry, re do. La so re do. I started from my mi right to the re and do. So I just started to. I did a slide there. You get it? So do di la di do re. Right, I did, like I said, I did the pull off. Right, so then la so re do. I slide down re do. It's like mi re do. So I slided it down. Sorry, so that's the first part. Right, so la so fa. I ended with my fa, right, on your fourth. So the idea is for you to just land on your fourth, right? So right. So right.